Ever wondered what happens after you click that Schedule Meeting button in HubSpot? Where does all that information go and how does HubSpot use it? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to unpack everything HubSpot meeting tracks, from the basics to the nitty-gritty, so you can understand how this data fuels your sales and marketing efforts. Think about it. You've got leads coming in, you're scheduling meetings, and hopefully closing deals. But behind the scenes, HubSpot is working tirelessly, capturing a wealth of data that can be a goldmine for your business. Understanding what HubSpot tracks is crucial for optimizing your sales process, personalizing your marketing, and ultimately, growing your revenue. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's clarify why this matters. It's not just about collecting data for the sake of it. HubSpot's meeting tracking is designed to give you a comprehensive view of your interactions with prospects and customers. This data helps you understand what's working, what's not, and where you can improve. Imagine being able to see exactly where your leads are getting stuck in the sales funnel or identifying the common questions they ask during meetings. That's the power of HubSpot's meeting tracking. So what exactly does HubSpot track? Let's break it down. First and foremost, the basics. HubSpot tracks the fundamental details of your meetings. This includes the date and time of the meeting, the duration, the attendees, both internal and external, and the meeting title. This might seem obvious, but this foundational data is essential for reporting and organization. You can easily see how many meetings your team is scheduling, how long they're lasting, and who's involved. Beyond the basics, HubSpot tracks information about the contacts and companies associated with the meeting. This is where things get interesting. By linking meetings to specific contacts and companies in your CRM, HubSpot provides context to your interactions. You can see the history of your communication with a particular lead, including previous meetings, emails, and notes. This gives your sales team valuable background information before each meeting, allowing them to personalize their approach and be more effective. HubSpot also tracks the meeting outcome. This could be anything from meeting held, to follow-up scheduled, to deal closed. Tracking the outcome of your meetings is critical for understanding the effectiveness of your sales process. Are your meetings leading to closed deals? Are you scheduling enough follow-ups? By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your sales strategy. Now, let's talk about the details that often get overlooked. HubSpot allows you to add notes to your meetings. This is a game changer. These notes can include key takeaways, action items, next steps, and any other relevant information. These notes become a permanent record of your interactions, accessible to your entire team. No more scrambling to remember what was discussed in a previous meeting. Everything is neatly documented within HubSpot. Furthermore, if you're using HubSpot's Sales Hub, you can leverage meeting tracking to automate tasks and workflows. For example, you can automatically trigger a follow-up email after a meeting is marked as follow-up scheduled, or you can create a workflow that updates a contact's lifecycle stage based on the meeting outcome. This automation saves your team time and ensures that no important tasks fall through the cracks. Another powerful feature is the ability to track meeting sources. Where did the lead who booked the meeting come from? Was it from a marketing campaign, a referral, or a social media post? By tracking meeting sources, you can understand which channels are driving the most qualified leads and allocate your resources accordingly. This data is invaluable for optimizing your marketing efforts and maximizing your ROI. HubSpot also integrates with other tools, which can further enhance your meeting tracking capabilities. For example, if you use a scheduling tool like Calendly, you can integrate it with HubSpot to automatically log meetings and sync contact information. This seamless integration streamlines your workflow and ensures that all your meeting data is captured in one place. Now, let's address a common question. What about privacy? HubSpot takes data privacy seriously. They have robust security measures in place to protect your data and comply with relevant regulations. You have control over your data and can manage your privacy settings within HubSpot. So, to recap, HubSpot meeting tracking encompasses a wide range of data points, from the basic meeting details to the more nuanced information about contacts, companies, outcomes, notes, sources, and integrations. This data provides a 360-degree view of your interactions with prospects and customers, empowering you to optimize your sales and marketing strategies. By understanding what HubSpot tracks, you can leverage this data to improve your sales process, personalize your marketing, and drive business growth. You can identify bottlenecks in your sales funnel, understand which channels are driving the most qualified leads, and empower your team with valuable insights. Ultimately, HubSpot's meeting tracking is a powerful tool that can help you close more deals and achieve your business objectives. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.